This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. It's Saturday, December 27th. It's around, 3:10 p.m. And I want to show you something that was just delivered. And here it is. Let me show you the size of the box so you can see it. It's actually leaning right here. It's amazing that it came and it was delivered from a gentleman. This was a Facebook sale and purchase. I'm gonna bring it inside. I want to unbox it. I could tell you that this is an antenna, and a very, very well built, sought after antenna. I don't think I've ever seen another one in that sold brand new, maybe since the 90s. And to find one new old stock, it ain't gonna happen. You're not gonna. This particular model antenna was such a well-built, well-constructed, very popular base station vertical. And let me get into it. Let me unbox it. The gentleman slipped the original boxes inside. And so he took another box, he slipped it on the top, another box, and he slipped it on the bottom. And then, as you could see in the center, he wrapped around cardboard in the center because the two didn't meet. And I just wanted to make sure that it was under 108 inches, so it was UPS shippable. He shipped this yesterday. It came from Pennsylvania, and it arrived today on Saturday. So it took 1 day in transit from Pennsylvania. But I'm going to bring it inside. I'm going to open it up, slide it out, and then I'll show you what it is, and I'll show you the contents. And I'm going to bridge these two. I'll merge these two videos together. I could once again tell you, you're not going to find another new old stock one of these antennas probably anywhere in the world. And if they are out there, they're in the single digits. Am I going to install it? There's another antenna that I bought recently from the same company, which is not as rare. It is rare, but they have been available new old stock. Time and time again, you'll find one pop up on the internet, but never one of these. So with that, I'll catch you guys shortly, and I'll show you the details. This is N2LEN saying quick 7-3. This is N2LEN with another follow-up video clip of the first clip. I just brought this antenna that was just delivered, and it's laying on the garage floor so you could see the length of it. I think it's about 90 inches long in these two boxes. And it's, like I said, it's actually two boxes with a center wrap, and the original shipping box with the antenna is inside it. And I'll give you a hint. The company is Avanti. And right over here, that just came a couple of weeks ago, is a brand new old stock PDL2, which wasn't shipped in the original box. The original box was very tatty. So he put all the elements and all the parts, and in the top box is the gamma globe and accessories. So in this box, a very, very popular Avanti antenna. To find one new old stock, you're not going to find one of these anywhere in the world. And if there is one or a few, less than a hand are available if they are out there. I have never seen a new old stock one sell anywhere in North America since the 90s. We'll catch you later. We'll show it to you after we unbox it. This is N2LEN for another quick video clip. Here is the final video clip of the antenna that just arrived. Pretty damn rare. New old stock. I just removed the antenna, and I had to repair and retape the box. I want the original box. So let me show you what it is. There you go. This is a brand new, in the original box, Avanti AV-174 Sigma 4. Let me pop it open. I'll have my daughter pop it open so you can actually see it. Here it is. There's the owner's manual. You want to grab that, honey? Grab it's the original Avanti owner's manual. Small little booklet. It's curved. But let me show you the rest of it. There are the 4 curved pieces in the bags of the brackets. But there you go. There's the gamma rod. So this is, let me show it to you. Brand new in the box. Avanti Sigma 4. Catch you guys later. This is N2LEN saying happy holidays, best 7-3. This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. Here is the new old stock Avanti Sigma 4. Okay, let me spin it around. I'll show you the labeling on the side. Okay, show you the bottom of the box. Okay, let me come around here and show it to you this way. Spin the camera around so you can see it. Okay, that's it.